Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take the Microsoft Kinect software for the Kinect 360, go into the program, and flip the image from the camera so that it's correct instead of being mirrored. For example, the words will be backwards. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn that around. I would show on the Kinect 2, but my computer will not run that because of my USB ports. So anyway, here we go. First of all, you want to download the software, so do a search for Kinect 360 software. And here's the link for it. This is SDK version 1.8. So we'll go with that one since that's the first one that came up. There's actually a SDK version 1.7 that I usually use, but we'll go ahead and go with this. And it's downloaded. So we'll go ahead and go over to our downloads. Run. And of course, you agree. You hit install. Yeah, we're going to do that. And it's processing the Windows for Kinect drivers. So this should do everything you need. Now it says to download the developer toolkit, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to do that. And here's the developer toolkit. We're going to go ahead and download. And of course, as soon as I start recording, the dogs go ballistic. Okay, it's downloaded. So here it is, the developer toolkit. Run the application. See, yeah, because if you don't, you just don't get to use the software. Come on. There we go. Setup is complete. Great. Now let's see. Yep. This is Windows 10, by the way. It would be similar for Windows 8 or Windows 7 Professional or Home. All you have to do is go find it. I'm sure it's just as easy. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to pin that to the taskbar. And we're going to take this one and we're going to pin it to the taskbar because that makes it all easier. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in my Kinect 360 and see if the drivers will load up. So it's in. Oop, wrong thing. Let's go to control panel. Well, let me show you you want to open your device manager. This right here. Because you got to make sure that it's found. Kinect for Windows. Very important, you need all 4 of these for the Kinect to run. All 4 of them. Depending on your resources, that's the reason why I can't run the Kinect 2. I don't have enough resources, which is really, really odd for my computer, but it is 10 years old, so go figure. It's just the USBs. So anyway, here are 4 of these installed, so I know they're installed. So I can go ahead and close that. And now we're going to open the SDK. Now I program in C#. That's what I'm comfortable in. So I'm going to go to the samples and go down here. I'm going to do the Kinect Explorer because this is, I got all the goodies in it. So we're going to hit install. I already got a folder set on my desktop that I want to use. New Kinect app. Hit OK. Then open up the contents of the folder. Go to Kinect Explorer WPF. And down here you're going to see a Visual Studio solution. I'm using Visual Studio 2019. It's free from Microsoft. You just gotta sign up with your account and whatnot. So let's go ahead and double click this. Visual Studio will open up. Okay, it's loaded, sort of. I want to show you what happens if you don't start the program inside Visual Studio. It fails to load everything correctly. This is the window we're going to be dealing with. So if we double click on that. Build the project to update the design view. So we're going to just hit run or start, depending, start. Okay, so there's my Kinect. It's got the yay skeleton thingy, everything, and of course you can swap between these. You can, of course, go to the infrared, which is pretty cool because it, throws all the dots out there. But you're going to be using this mostly. Now, that, of course, is more finer detail and sharper, but it's only 12 frames per second. But whatever suits your fancy. Okay, so the image is mirrored, and the crate is spelled backwards. So is Defender. So is Sonic. So let's go ahead and close this. Alright, and you see the window appear. So you click in this area here. You're going to right click on the window, and this is where you have to set your current selection because of the layers in this. So let's use main viewer host. So we're going to click on that. And down here in the lower right hand corner, you'll see the properties of that window. You come down here to transform and select flip, and select flip on x-axis or horizontal. Do that. Hit start. And now it's correct. the image is correct. And of course the little guy's having a spasm here, but you can see the crate, the fender logo, the Sonic is correct now. So that's how you flip the image. Now of course up here it's showing 30 FPS backwards, but you flip the whole window and that's part of the window. Here you can see that it's done all the windows. You do the main window because that makes all the windows flip correctly. So that's how you do that. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, I hope it was at least informative. So that's how you do it. And of course you just save the program. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take this program and make it into an executional file where you can use it on any computer. Thanks for watching.